Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna show you how to install the Laravel into your Mac OS machine. So in my previous video, I have shown you the installation of Composer using Terminal. So the next step you need to check is the server requirements. Since today we have the Laravel version 6.0 in the internet, let's go first here, Laravel documentation. As you can see, the latest version is 6.x, so 6 point something, I think, 6.0. Then you need to check the server requirements. It's PHP 7.2. Please make sure that these PHP extensions are also installed on your Mac OS system. So I'm going to check what is the PHP version installed in my Mac. So you need to type PHP V. So you can see I am using 7.4.1 PHP version. Also, I wanted to show you just a quick overview of server configuration. I would suggest you to follow the tutorial on setting up the Apache on MacOS Catalina before doing the server configuration. So the link of the tutorial is just type in Google MacOS Catalina Apache setup. Here we go. So this one. I am following this tutorial actually. So once you have done this, you are now ready to go on page server configuration in your Apache. So next you need to go to configuration file, which are located in USR local extra ns. Then let's go to this file, check out this file. As you can see, I've already set up this Apache configuration project.test. So if you type in the your web browser project.test, so as you can see, there is a WordPress folder already exists. Let's check that. So let's go to that folder. So that folder is located in user sites test. Since I am now in the home directory of my user, let's go to sites, which is here, and go to test, then ls. So here we go. There is a WordPress folder already here. So as you can see in your browser, the WordPress folder appears. Then I wanted to show you how to create a new domain on your local machine. So let's create a new folder called Laravel. Right there, Laravel. So it's already created. So once you refresh this, then the Laravel will show. let's go inside the Laravel folder. No, let's set up first the Apache. Let's copy this, then let's replace this into Laravel. Since we're working in the Laravel folder, let's put Laravel there, then laravel.test. Then control autosave, then control X. Then let's restart the Apache ctl restart. Let's try sudo. Alright, yes, let's create another folder here. Oh, no. So what have we added is this server name, right? Let's preview this in our browser. So as you can see, it is a empty folder. So if you create another folder, then refresh, you can see it's appear. So we are in the right direction. So let's remove that. Okay, the next thing you need to do is follow the installation guide from the Laravel documentation. So this one, copy, paste, enter. Let's exit this since we are not using this anymore. I've already shown you a quick overview regarding the Apache configuration setup. So Laravel now is already installed. Oh no, downloaded. So once you have downloaded this, let's go Laravel new blog. This is the next step. So the reason why the Laravel command not found, it is because of the path. As you can see in the instruction here, make sure to place composer system-wide vendor directory in your path so the Laravel executable can be located by your system. So let's find out what are our path on our bash profile. So we need to add a path. Okay, let's Control O, save. It's not writable, so let's copy this. Now, let's edit via sudo. Then Control O, Control X. Then let's exit this terminal. Let's open up again a terminal. Let's test this if Laravel command is recognized. Okay, it's already recognized. Let's go to our Laravel folder. Under sites, test Laravel. Then let's perform again this command. So another issue come. So if you guys found this issue in your terminal, just go again to your bash profile. The issue here is this one. You need to rename this into composer. Remove that. Oh, sorry. You need to do it via sudoer. Remove the dot bar. Save, exit, then rename. Rename the composer.bar into composer only. Then try to go. We will remove this so that we can start again with this new command. Let's try it out. Alright. So that will eliminate the error. Alright, so Laravel now is already installed. So let's go to our browser, refresh. So there is a blog folder created. Actually guys, the blog folder is not needed since we have a Laravel folder already created. So let's repeat and we will remove this folder. Instead of typing blog, we have to replace that into dot. So Laravel new dot. So instead of blog that we have typed it earlier during installation, we will replace it into period. So period means the current directory. Enter. Okay, so if you refresh, then these are the Laravel installation. So you need to go into public, because public folder, you can see in the public folder, sites test Laravel public. The index is located here inside the public folder. Inside the Laravel folder, you cannot see index.php. So what we need to do is change the Apache configuration. Let's go to cd visr local etc extra. Let's modify this. So our folder here, guys, is test Laravel. So we need to add the public, since the public folder has its index.php. So this will be our main directory of the domain. Save, then exit. Then let's restart Apache. Sudo. Alright, so as you can see, if you remove this public, then here we go. Laravel installation now is running. Alright, so that's it. You have now the Laravel version 6.0 running on your macOS Catalina. There we go. That's it.